Well, hello. This is Victoria Lowe, and I'm back with another video, which means it's another color. But first things first, I want you guys to click that subscribe button as well as the notification bell to stay in the loop. Today, I'm coming at you guys with this beautiful sunflower yellow. It is very earthy. It is more of a toned down yellow, so anyone should be able to wear it. I'm starting off with my world famous Very Veelo Beauty lipstick base, and I'm going in, you guys, with 1 tablespoon. You guys, this base is for purchase on my website at www.veryveelobeauty.com, and I also have videos showing you how to make your very own. I'll be sure to link that in the description box below. Next, I am going in with half of a teaspoon, of the titanium dioxide. The titanium dioxide is going to act as our lightener as well as our white pigment. So I'm going in with half of a teaspoon of titanium dioxide, and I like mixing the white in first because it acts as a canvas so that we can see the color come to life. When mixing in the white titanium oxide, it can be one of the hardest pigments to mix, which is why I like mixing it first. But basically, as you see me doing, I was just mashing, mixing, and repeating and scraping the bowl as I went along. So now I'm going in with my next color, and it is a smidgen of the soft brown oxide. A smidgen can be described as half of a quarter of a teaspoon if you don't have these spoons, but I do have these spoons that I purchased from TKB, and the measurement of this spoon is called a smidgen, but approximately it is half of a quarter of a teaspoon if you do not have access to these spoons. One of the main reasons why I decided to add brown to this color is to tone it down. What I'm shooting for is more of a sunflower yellow or a mustard yellow, and not so much of a banana yellow. Now, if that's the yellow that you're going for, then of course you know you can omit this brown, but the brown does a great job at toning it down, and you'll see that further. Now I'm going in with the star of the show with 1 teaspoon of the yellow number 5 Alum Lake dye. You can get this dye from TKB Trading along with other pigments that they have, but I am using powder pigments in this video because I like the drying effect or the drying power that the powder adds to the liquid lipstick. Now I'm going in here with a swatch just to check our progress to see where we've come, and that is a beautiful yellow. However, it is too light, so I'm going in with another smidgen of the soft brown Oxide just to tone it down and give it more of a earthy depth. We're going to add depth to the yellow just to make it a yellow that can be more universal and more of a everyday look. I know it kind of sounds crazy for yellow to be an everyday look, but the point that I'm trying to make is I want it to be a yellow that can be worn by anyone. Next, I'm going in with 1 teaspoon of Isododecane Remix. You guys can also purchase this on my website at veryveelobeauty.com, and it does a great job at bringing that drying power to our mixture. And then I'm going in with another teaspoon of the yellow lake dye, the Alum lake dye, yellow number 5. And I'm just gonna mix this really well. And as you can already see, excuse my thumb you guys, that yellow is starting to tone down and give us more of sunflower vibes versus banana vibes. Now I'm going in with a swatch check just to see our progress and to compare to the first yellow that we made. And I'm going in on my arm, and as you can already see, that is not what we're going for, but this is what I was shooting for. And it is more of a mustard color versus a opaque yellow. Opaque is good, but I just kind of wanted to tone it down. And as usual, you guys, I draw up a syringe and add it to the bottle, but I'm not doing that in this video today. If you want to see, check out my other videos, but this is our final result. We have this beautiful sunflower yellow, and I lined my lips with a dark brown lip liner just to give it more of a toned down look for my melanin skin. And thank you guys for watching. I love you.